What's up YouTube, Genie here, back at it again, and welcome back to the channel guys. So today, another game review ang gagawin natin. This time around, the name of the NFT game is Galaxy Fight Club. If you're new to my channel guys, please do not forget to click that like, that subscribe, and click that bell, set that to all. That way you will always be notified with announcements, updates, game reviews, and walkthroughs, anything, everything NFT games, play to earn. Lahat ng mga pwede natin pagkakitaan online ng mga games na ganyan, subukan natin gawa ng content. Okay? Without further ado guys, let's get it on. Intro! Okay, so this is the landing page of Galaxy Fight Club, and as always, link will be in the description of the video. Lagay din natin yung link ng Twitter at saka ng Discord niya para when you do your own research, you can check those socials out din para, alam mo yun, masilip mo anong feedback ng mga community about dito sa game na to. Okay? So, website overview muna tayo and then we'll check the white paper later on. So, may mga game trailers din tayo pwedeng silipin. So, the first cross-IP PvP game for the NFT universe. We are a cross-IP, cross-platform, so PC plus mobile PvP fighting game where holders of different NFT collections can battle with each other to both win and earn rewards through our play-to-earn mechanics. Each Genesis Galaxy Fighter generates 5 to 15 of our in-game currency, which is the G-Coin daily. And so 5 to 15 in-game G-Coin daily ang generation niya. And magkano yung G-Coin? We have yet to know kasi maglo-launch na yan, mag-IDO na yan. So check them out. Again, pag mag-IDO pa lang, sobrang mura pa ng token yan. Pwede pa kayong humabol. Okay? Now, total supply of the Genesis Galaxy Fighters is 10,129. So may butal pa talaga, no? Partners with Animetas, Deadheads, MetaKey, Yunko Association as featured in, and si Yahoo, si Kagihan, si Weljin. Ito to. Makita yung gimmick niya. So we are building the Super Smash Bros. For the NFT universe. Tingnan natin tong guys, tingnan natin tong game trailer na to. Silipin natin.
Do you ever just scroll through OpenSea, looking at your CryptoPunk, Bored Ape, or Cool Cats, just looking at them and wondering what else you could do with them? What if I told you you could log in with your favorite NFTs and battle with other owners to win Ether? Every NFT project is a Lego brick waiting to be connected to others, and Galaxy Fight Club is the Lego builder. We are integrating PFP projects like Apes, Deadheads, Animetas with weapons and gear projects like Loot Adventure Gear to create the first cross-IP PvP game platform in the NFT universe. In this universe, the year is 2049, 4 years after Ready Player One. All the best fighters from all different races and collections traveled from across the galaxy to the planet Luna 8, one of the least populated planets throughout the galaxy, to battle each other for a great prize. Pick your
2
fighter
minutes
and
ang
equip
gimmick
the
niya.
most powerful
Ayan
weapon
natin
you
yan.
can.
Ayan guys, meron siyang sample gameplay na din. Di ba? So, parang free for all ba to? O parang team game Para magkakampi yung nandito sa baba at kaskraban nila sa taas Parang team game. Ooh. Stig to di ba? Pwede, di ba? Okay, so silipin natin yung iba pa natin pwedeng malaman dito. So may biopills, partners, derivative work, si CryptoPunks. Parang nakikita ako yung lagi sa ewan ko kung yun nasa Discord na ang kukulit PM ng PM, DM ng DM sa Discord yung So how to get started? Genesis Galaxy Fighters launch. So sold out daw yung Genesis Galaxy Fighters. Get your own Galaxy Fighter. Our fighters will generate between 5 to 15 G coins for you daily. So ayan yung Genesis. Tapos If you want to play in our more competitive and rewarding 3v3. O yan. So nasagot na yung tanong natin kanina. 3v3 pala siya. Hindi pala free for all. Okay. So fight. Download our game for iOS or Android. Play in our PvP game. Death matches. PvP deathmatch. Meron din pala. May 1v1 din siya. May deathmatch eh. 3v3 tournaments or 10-person battle royale to earn more G-coins. Win random loot or even ETH prizes. So may Ethereum prizes din sila guys. Blacksmith, you can use the G-coins you earn to unlock new loot boxes or to forge 2 weapons into a stronger weapon with the blacksmith. So yun, burning mechanism na agad yun. 2 weapons, forge nyo, mababurn yun, mapapalitan ng isa na stronger. Parang ganun ang gimmick niya. So you can now use your upgraded weapon to win more G-coins or just sell it on the secondary market. So pwedeng ganun. Okay, so what else? Ayan yung mga iba pa guys na mga videos na na-create para kay Galaxy Fight Club. Silipin nyo din yan. Ayan, frequently asked questions, game overview, what is Galaxy Fight Club? Ayan yung kanina. Let's see, ano bang magandang maano dito? When will Galaxy Fight Club release? So yan, saan ba? Meron ba? September is the alpha test. We will select a number of you to play our test game or test our game. October, beta test. So we will open the game up to a percentage of players. Example, all the players in Canada. So pwedeng ganun. Tingnan natin, meron pa ba iba? May naputol pero hindi natin makita guys. How do I get into the alpha? Ano yan? Tapos na yan. Will Galaxy Fight Club be pay to win? Yan, magandang tanong yan. Galaxy Fight Club will not be pay to win, and while rarer fighters will be stronger than a floor fighter, the power differential will be capped and the difference will not be so significant as to determine the outcome of a match. In other words, a highly skilled player with a floor fighter will have a good chance of winning against a top fighter with mediocre skills. So ibig sabihin, kahit na hindi ganon ka lakas yung fighter mo, kung magaling ka naman, kung skilled ka, kaya mo pa ring talunin yung malakas lang. Okay? So, what are the tiers? Tingnan natin yan. So, ayan yung ano niya. Basic, common, uncommon, rare, epic, legendary, mythic, and exotic fighters. Ang dami niya. So, weapons naman, meron kang common, uncommon, rare, and exotic na tiers. Do weapons or other traits from original Galaxy Fighters NFT transfer over the game? Ayan, silipin nyo na lang siya. And then, ano pa bang pwede natin silipin? Yung analytics, tingnan natin guys. We are hiring daw. Tingnan nyo, pwedeng baka meron sa inyong may talent and pwedeng mag-apply sa kanila. Baka ito ang break ninyo. So, yun yung analytics niya. My creations at Maverick. Wala pa namang kumbaga hindi naman, alam ko, hindi naman ito yung parang marketplace niya eh. So, yun yung, ito, account. Tingnan natin. Login with wallet. Hindi pa naman tayo magla-login dyan. So, silipin lang natin muna yung, yung Twitter nila. Ayan, punta natin yung Twitter. And then follow na rin natin sila syempre. Meron silang 46.1k. Nasa ano ko kasi? Nasa incognito pala ako kasi. So, dali natin dun sa follow ko yung Twitter nila para updated din ako sa mga latest and greatest na mga news ng Galaxy Fight Club. Okay, so lalagay din natin yan definitely sa link, sa description nitong video para balikan ninyo and para ma-update din kayo dyan. Pati yan yung Discord. Pag click mo na yan, kaso kasi nasa incognito ako eh. So yun. Pwede nyo silipin to guys. Mukhang naman siya. Mukhang fun and sana maganda yung earnings capability niya para pwede tayong kumita ng maganda-ganda in terms of yung income generation. So, ang kanyang IDO, tingnan natin, ito with Chain Boost is December 17th. Ayan guys, 2 days. In 2 days, mag-IDO na siya. Okay? So, yun, abangan ninyo guys kung kailan lalabas. Investor man kayo or player kayo, abangan ninyo yan. December 17 ng IDO. Check this guys. Check this out. Do your own research. See kung ito yung tipong gusto ninyong subukan pag-investan din. And then from there, di ba, pwede kayong mag-decide kung baka mamaya pwedeng kumita dito ng maganda. Mamaya, life-changing pala tong opportunity na to, di ba? Okay? So, if you're new to my channel, guys, again, please do not forget to click that like, that subscribe, and click that bell para lagi kayong notified sa mga announcements, updates, game reviews, anything and everything NFTs, guys. Gawa natin ng content yan. And that's it for now. I'm out. Peace!